Hello my friends, in today's video, the recipe is practical, cheap and easy. And look women, don't be surprised if people start stopping you in the street and asking you what magic you use to have such lush, well-groomed skin.
Hey you guys, are you enjoying our content? Why I'm asking this? Because according to our channel analysis, 97% of the people who watch us are not subscribed to the channel. Do you believe this? So I sincerely ask, if you have liked our content, subscribe to our channel. Let's make this content reach everyone around the world and let's make this a healthier world, okay? So subscribe our channel and God bless you.
Well, our skin is the largest organ we have, and in the rush of everyday life, we don't pay enough attention to it, do we? It is part of the body's defense, it controls temperature, and also participates in the synthesis of hormones such as vitamin D. The epidermis is the most superficial part, containing cells with keratin, and this protein forms a layer that surrounds the cells of the epidermis in order to prevent unnecessary loss of water and also protect the body from external aggressions, such as mechanical shocks, solar radiation, wind and rain. This protein is widely used by the cosmetics industry in the composition of shampoos, conditioners, creams, nail polish, plastic films, hair restorers, smoothing creams, and personal care products. The dermis, on the other hand, varies in thickness depending on the region of the body and the person's age. The function of the dermis is to guarantee the elasticity and resistance of the skin, and because it is a richly vascularized region, it is also responsible for the nutrition and oxygenation of the epidermis. Structurally, the dermis is made up of collagen and elastin fibers and an extracellular matrix. Collagen fibers can make up as much as 70% of the dermis. Then there's the hypodermis, which is a layer of loose connective tissue, rich in fibers and fat cells, and the fat that accumulates in these cells acts as an energy reserve and thermal insulator. This hypodermis is what the insulin needle reaches, it's what the GH needle reaches, for example. And one of the factors that influences the proper functioning of these layers, and consequently the appearance of the skin, is hydration. When you drink too little water, this lack of hydration will be noticeable in the form of dry, rough skin that lacks elasticity. And as I always talk about here on our channel, in other videos, a healthy diet, rich in antioxidant foods, such as citrus fruits, broccoli, grapes, tomatoes, among others, slows down aging. An external agent that also influences premature aging is overexposure to the sun's rays, which help to destroy the skin's collagen and elastin and consequently reduce its structural support. And people use a lot of products on their face. Depending on the type of product you use on your face, it can cause microinflammation that inflames the melanocyte, which is the cell responsible for producing melanin, giving rise to small spots. And this inflammation also affects the fibroblasts, which are the main cells involved in the healing process and the maintenance of connective tissue, and will also decrease collagen production, leaving the skin flaccid. And this is where our super mix comes in to give your look a boost. It's the Nivea cream in the blue can, Nivea I want sponsorship, okay? And rosehip oil. This cream is very traditional in the world of cosmetics and has been on the market for decades. It is a base with silicone in its composition, and silicone retains water. So Nivea cream helps to keep the skin moisturized. It is very important to clean your face at least twice a day with specific soaps for each skin type, preferably prescribed by a dermatologist. But let's get to the recipe with our little cream. You take a can of Nivea cream of any size and add a tablespoon of rosehip oil to the cream and mix. And you apply it to a clean face, washed with a neutral baby soap because it balances the skin's pH. After washing and drying your face well, you'll apply the Nivea cream with rosehip oil, and I suggest you do this at night and sleep with this cream on your face. Have you seen it? Using this mixture is incredibly easy. However, it is important to note that due to the preservatives present in Nivea cream, using it on a daily basis is not recommended. It would be best to incorporate this mixture into your routine 3 times a week. Much like how you have turmeric and ginger in your kitchen, having rosehip oil is an essential addition to your natural medicine cabinet. The plant was brought to South America by the Spanish colonizers and cultivated particularly in Argentina and Chile. Rosehip oil comes from extracting the seeds from the fruit, and has its effects due to its pharmacological properties released by substances such as trans-retinoic acid used in skin treatment, psoriasis, and other inflammations. Its popularity is also linked to the presence of certain acids that are fundamental and have perfect nutrients for tissue regeneration. This oil is widely used in folk medicine and has become the subject of several research studies at Brazilian universities because of its benefits for skin, hair, and healing. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that combat the destruction of collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. A study carried out by the University of Brasilia showed the high healing power of open wounds. According to the studies, patients with varicose ulcers, post-traumatic ulcers, contact eczema, and post-surgical wounds healed up to 29 days earlier than other patients who did not use the oil. In the field of cosmetics, rosehip oil is also used to reduce wrinkles, expression marks, and aging. The oil can be applied as a sunscreen with just a few drops. It works effectively on the body, hair, brittle nails, and helps treat acne spots, sunspots, stretch marks, and scars. Its versatile components cater to various skincare needs, making it an all-in-one solution for nourishing and protecting your skin. These components act in the proliferative phase of the scar, protecting the new cells that are yet to be rebuilt. Rosehip oil also has excellent moisturizing power for dry skin, helping to restore its natural texture and giving the face shine and elasticity. The moisturizing power of rosehip oil can also be used to moisturize dry and damaged hair. It can be used pure or mixed with other vegetable oils, such as almond oil, to enhance its moisturizing properties. Rosehip oil is also utilized for the purpose of fading skin spots, as it consists of various compounds that are well known for their ability to inhibit the enzyme tyrosinase, responsible for skin pigmentation. It is the enzyme that plays a critical role in the biosynthesis of melanin, in short, that creates skin spots. The product is also rich in retinoic acid and ascorbic acid in its composition, both of which are widely known to be depigmenting agents, even used in peeling. Retinoic acid has good efficacy against melasma, while ascorbic acid acts by inhibiting melanogenesis, which is the biological process of skin pigmentation. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, don't forget to go to your dermatologist and get his opinion too, okay? A big hug. Live healthy, live with passion, with God in your heart.